I used to scroll my phone for 40 minutes before getting out of bed, then rush through everything and start every day already stressed. This 3-block system takes 30 minutes and completely changed how my days feel. The first 60 minutes set your emotional and mental tone all day. Reactive mornings, phone first, rush, stress, create reactive days. Even 30 minutes of intention before the chaos makes a measurable difference. Block 1, 10 minutes for your body. Water, stretch, breathe. Block 2, 10 minutes for your mind. Journal or read 1 page. Block 3, 10 minutes to plan. Write your top 3 tasks for today. Lay out your clothes the night before. Every night. Prep breakfast in advance. Overnight oats or a smoothie bag. Decision fatigue is real, and it starts before 8 a.m. for most people. Before bed, check tomorrow's schedule, pack your bag, set the coffee timer. Takes 5 minutes tonight and saves 20 minutes of scrambling tomorrow. Your future morning self will thank your evening self every time. Check off your morning routine on a habit tracker every day. Streaks build identity. You start thinking of yourself as a morning person. Miss one day? Get right back on it the next morning. No guilt. The free morning routine planner in the description has the 3-block system laid out and ready to print. Link is below. Try it tomorrow, just 30 minutes. New videos Monday, Wednesday, and Friday.